we're going to click on attachments. You'll see the orange new button here, or alternatively, you could go to each of these tabs up here and do so. So what we're going to do is assign out a task. So we're going to have a new task. For this example, I will just say inspect bearing for signs of high vibration. Here you can add any additional details. So I will mention visual inspection. This is the type of task, whether you want it to be a verification task or a corrective action. Since this is a hypothesis and we want to verify whether the statement is true or not, then we will keep it at the verification task. Here is where you assign your task out to someone. So for this example, I'm going to assign it to myself. However, I would like to note that you can assign a task out to anyone, whether they're internal or external. Then you can assign out a deadline. So I'm going to put tomorrow's date to have this done by, and we shall click save. So now we have a couple new things that have popped up since I've assigned the task. First off, you'll see the task right here. Secondly, you'll see an icon that popped up below this particular node. What this icon shows is that we currently have one task associated with this node. You'll see a checkbox here where I am able to click that, which will indicate that I have completed this particular task. Whenever you assign a task to someone, they are sent an email that will notify them, hey, Joe Foley has assigned you a task for this RCA, which will have a couple buttons for them to view the particular task or be able to mark the task complete.